factories that you've set up. I've seen it's unbelievable. Looks like a computer designed image. So very happy to see that. And I'm also happy to see that you take responsibility for not only providing sustainable alternative to people, but also looking after the planet, environmental friendly policies. So I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And I'm glad to hear that you're already working, but also looking after the planet, environmental friendly policies. So I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And I'm glad to hear that you're already working in Pakistan. A lot of the people accompanying us, have Jinko installed in their houses, buildings, offices. I think if there is a need for you to venture out of Pakistan, instead of investing anywhere, I think the Pakistani market is very promising at the moment. It is huge, and the demand for solar is increasing by the day. We, as the Punjab government, are encouraging solar. We're also starting two projects where we are giving free solar panels to the users of 200 or less units. And from 200 to 500 domestic users, we are providing long-term loans with easy installments without interest for a huge population, the population that consumes electricity from 200 to 500 units. And this is an upcoming project. We haven't yet started it, but we are working on it. It's almost finalized. We will be launching it soon, in a few weeks' time. And the key factors that you just enunciated, that you consider before venturing out of China, are stable bilateral relations that you just mentioned. As the people of China and the people of Pakistan know, that both countries have excellent bilateral relations, and which have withstood the test of time, come what may. But this is like an ironclad friendship, an ironclad brotherly relation with this country. So I think nobody better than Pakistan, no country better than Pakistan has such a beautiful bond with China. China has also stood by Pakistan through thick and thin. And also, you mentioned cost of the energy. So cost of the energy power in Pakistan, electricity is coming down, and there is no dearth of workforce in Pakistan. We are a country of 200 point something million people, so workforces should not be a problem. Then we also have the infrastructure that is required for setting up a factory. We've got tax-free zones where we have all the facilities available, the enabling environment. And there is a growing energy demand in Pakistan, and solar is now becoming popular as an alternative. And a lot of people, I know for a fact, since I started two projects, so I have information. This is information-based thing that I'm telling you. In Pakistan, people are now moving to solar in a big way because of high energy costs that the government is now consistently trying to bring down. We are also combating environmental degradation, environmental challenges at the moment. And this also reduces our reliance on the fossil fuels, the burning of fossil fuels. And Pakistan has abundant solar resource. It's a country that has sun all the time. As I just said, it's your fourth biggest market, as you said. I think it's high time that you set up a manufacturing unit in Pakistan.
वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरीम नवाज़ का जिनको सोलर कंपनी के इजलास से खिताब। शंघाई में इस वक्त वो मौजूद हैं और वज़ीर आला पंजाब की जानिब से कहा गया है कि जिनको सोलर पावर कंपनी पाकिस्तान के लिए काम करेगी, ये सरमायाकारी के लिए पाकिस्तान एक अच्छी मार्केट है। शंघाई में इस वक्त वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरीम नवाज़ मौजूद हैं और वज़ीर आला पंजाब का जिनको सोलर कंपनी के इजलास से खिताब कहा गया कि जिनको सोलर कंपनी की मसनूआत काफ़ी मुतासर कुन हैं। उनकी जानिब से कहा गया कि पाकिस्तान में लोग बड़ी तादाद में सोलर पर शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं। जो बिजली की कीमतें हैं उनकी बढ़ती हुई वजह ये बनी कि जो लोग हैं वो सोलर की तरफ उनका रुझान बढ़ रहा है।